How's it going? What's up and what's happening? Blessed beautiful souls. Kiara DeCash here today with the Crypto Bliss Show. And I hope you are having a happy, healthy, wonderful, and fantastic start to your Easter with yourself and your family. And obviously, you guys, just like myself, I'm still keeping in touch with the crypto because crypto never, ever, ever sleeps. So, that's the thing, right? Is that there are opportunities all the time. And I'm going to share some of those with you in the next couple hours. So if you guys are interested, then please make sure to hit that notification bell on the channel, because I will be releasing a few videos that you can take a couple trades on over the next couple days, and some of them are already in motion. I have shared them and shown them to you guys, and some of them you're just going to have to be a little bit patient with. But remember, small amounts of risk with high amounts of reward. Okay, remember not to invest more than 5% of your portfolio per trade that you're doing, and of course make sure that you are at least making 15 to 20% would be a good at least a good target. Minimum 3x. Okay, so always remember that 3 to 1. Okay, the Fibonacci sequence 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. Okay, so with that being said, guys, happy Saturday. I've been just loving life. I'm so excited. I've been trading myself as well. I've been getting myself into good entry positions, setting up take profits and stop losses. And if you guys want to do the same, then hit my Bybit link down below and you guys can get into trades. I hope you know how to trade. If you don't, I will in the next day or two do a full-on trading video for you, where we can look to get into a trade or two or so. And then what we'll do is we'll come back later during next week, or maybe the next week or 2 weeks, and we'll see where that trade is, and then we'll take profits together. But we'll settle the stop losses and take profits together. And if you want to get involved in that, get yourself a $30,000 deposit bonus. Hit my Bybit link down there in the description. And of course, I have many other links down there that you can sign up to. If you don't want to use Bybit, there's multiple other links, but Bybit is my link. I trade heavily with Bybit. I'm enjoying Bybit and BitGet mostly, and then of course Binance, of course. So you can see those links down there. Make sure to get yourself in there so that you guys can trade with me, make some good cash while you're chilling with your family, right? How amazing is that? Thank you to all my subscribers. I really appreciate you all. You are all helping me rock this channel. So let's make sure, if you are watching this channel, that you are subscribed, of course. And let's not waste any more time and get to the content today, guys. Let's start off with $1, because we had ADP non-farm payrolls basically come in, and it was a little bit under what the expectation was. So yeah, guess what happened? Boom. Dollar had a little flickety flick. Okay, so you can see here, massive spike up. Didn't quite, it pretty much touched that same high, which is the same high as this over here as well, essentially, and is on that bottom. So now there's been 1, 2, 3 points that have tapped at this level. It's probably going to start turning over. This kind of might creep up, but it'll probably swing down, and you can see that happening here in the RSI as well. So if you guys are enjoying that, please make sure to hit that. Just making sure my volume's turned up for you guys. Hopefully you can hear that now even way better. Okay, so next thing is, let's go and look at Bitcoin dominance first. So Bitcoin dominance, as I said in my videos, this is now on the 8-hour time frame. As you guys can see here, boom, retested the 20 moving average, and we are really starting to make a signal that we are coming down. So we may just end up coming down and retesting this level before we come back up and retest this level, and then perhaps a breakdown to this area here, somewhere here. Okay, to maybe the 40s, even here. I would say 44% would probably be a good space for it to come down to. So let's go and see what's happening in Bitcoin itself. So Bitcoin, this is on the 30-minute time frame, so let's not focus on the 30 minutes, because essentially we are ranging. So let's look at the 4-hour and up. Okay, so guys, as you already know, we are completely ranging within these areas. Okay, from there to the top of my purple box. So essentially, if you've got a trading robot or if you're taking some profits, here's a good entry level, here's a good sell level. And then of course there's a medium line, a mean line, which you would like to look at, which is probably around that area. Man, actually a little bit higher up there, yeah. That's probably the mean area. So if we break this level, we're coming down here, okay? But if we find support up here, guys, I think this thing is going to retest this level here and potentially just carry on upwards. Now, why am I seeing this? I'm going to show you one very important chart here and a couple signals that are giving us a strong indication as to the market direction for this. So I'm going to look at ETH as well, just very quickly, just to share and show with you on the daily time frame. ETH is looking really rather healthy, I must say. So yes, we've got a pull over here, so we might retrace just a little bit and sit kind of here while the RSI resets itself, and then we buy in, and then Ethereum will probably come up to the 2000 target. So I hope you guys are ready to take a new entry here on Ethereum. And if you want to do that, hit my Bybit link down below. But now, what I really wanted to show you out of all of this is this. Boom. This chart. So while I'm here with you, just get a good perspective. Volume has been relative. It's nowhere near what the volume was there. So we're going to look at a pickup on volume as well, where the RSI is pretty much coming to a resetting point. Okay. Now you can see here's the first level, 32, nearly 33, so 32,871 and 37,392. Okay. Now what you can see here, guys, is we made a pump up here, boop, and essentially we made a triangle here, boom, which is a bullish flag, which boom pumped us up to this level. Okay, even though we've made the pump from here because we crashed there and pumped up from here. But this was a retest of this 200 level, which was essentially support. So we've confirmed support here. So for me, we are quite bullish for the short term. And essentially what I want to show you is, if this is a bull pennant, okay, have a look at the target here. Doesn't that give you a very strong indication? And I'll even make it really on top of it. Doesn't that make a good indication that this is where the next target for Bitcoin is before any sort of retracement, guys? So for me, Bitcoin's next target is $37,525. And if you think so, hit me down in the comments below. Let me know what you think Bitcoin's next target is. And I'm going to share this with you guys. One last thing. Okay. Have a squeeze at this, because the Gaussian channel is green and it's opening up. Okay, we've got the moving averages that have crossed the 20 above the 200. We confirm support here. We've consolidated under a small area of resistance. Look how long that consolidated for. So cool, we can consolidate for that long. And essentially, once we break this level, look at this. There's a huge open gap, a little bit of resistance at this 32,800 level, but a big gap up to here, which is a major resistance level, which is 37,525. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, please smash that thumbs up for me, because you know that this is absolutely awesome. And you can, of course, on the breakout of this pennant on the daily time frame, you can take this trade up to the top. You can use leverage, of course, 5x, 10x, but yeah, take 50% profits and then another 50% profits. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Lots of love. And of course, this video isn't any financial advice. I'm just sharing what I'm doing with you. So I hope you're doing what I'm doing and making some good cash too. Love you all. Take care. Have a blessed day.